Hello crafty friends, it's Tranae, and today we are getting ready to make a card. So here's the cool thing about a lot of stamps, especially Lawn Fawn, is that they provide free sketches. So if you wanted to make a sketch, you could do one similar to this one, which I think is really cool, or you can get another one. Like, how neat is this? So for today's video, I'm going to take this sketch right here that has all of the little crafty peas hanging out and chilling. Alright, so here is what I have on my craft mat right now. Memorydex die, a hillside border, two dies that I have already cut out off camera, two sheets of paper. These are scrap, well, this was a scrap piece from a project that I did yesterday, and then this is just a little piece that I cut out because I love these scallops. All right, so let's get started on this Memorydex card. So first up, if you're gonna use a sketch, you don't have to use it in the exact same way. For instance, this sketch was for a card, like just a regular card. I'm not doing a regular card. I'm doing a Memorydex card. So, you know, just change it up a little bit and boom, you have a brand new idea. So I am going to put my die cut on here and tape it down with some Post-it tape. Ooh, and I got too much Post-it tape. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I be cheap on the Post-it tape. It's like, we must preserve the Post-it tape. And then the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to layer this one because this is going to be my sky. I'm going to put that right here and I'm going to run all of this through together. It should work out fine. If it don't, then, you know, we'll just try it again. Now we're going to run it through the machine. Because I have two papers, I'm going to run it back through. So we'll sit these two to the side. Well, we'll sit that one to the side. And I'm going to put this one back on my mat because I want a heel. So now that I have my pieces cut out, I'm going to put everything together. And this is the super easy part because this already has the tape on it. And all I have to do is peel and stick. So I am going to add my sky first. Then I have this part to add next. And this is going to leave a little room for me to slide all that stuff in. So let's make these stickers. And so I want to be able to slide in some of my peas. So I am just going to cut right along that black line. Alright, so let's stick some of our pods down. I have this one right over here. I want him to go up kind of high. Alright, and I'm going to grab this little guy and stick him in. And I'm going to do the same thing for the next pod, except I'm adding two little peas in that one and sticking it down. Alright, and the last part, I'm just going to slide it in right up here. Alright, so we have the main elements down. I'm going to grab my mat and cut off these parts. Next, I am going to take my reverse tweezers and some glue and put all of my little elements in place, and as you can see, I am dipping them in the glue because they are so small and it was the easiest way to get them down. Now I'm going to add on my finishing touches, the music notes. So this one comes with I think 2 or 3 music notes, so I want to use those because it's not a party if you don't have any music, right? Alright, so there is the front of our card. I think it's really cute. Now we got to do something with the back because we don't want just a plain white back. We want some paper to be back there. Make it pretty. You gotta make it pretty. Do, 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 do. So that is our Memorydex card for today. I think that is so cute. Love the way it came out. Before you go, I want to give a shout out to Becca Ann. She wrote me, "I absolutely love your videos. I have always been a scrapbooker, but Fawn's cuteness is what got me started in card making. This new release is great. Smiley face." Thank you, Becca Ann, for your support. And if you want to be one of my Spotlight subbies, all you have to do is leave a comment below. All right, I'll see you in the next one.